Now, Russia's banking sector is now facing mounting pressures as the cost of the war in Ukraine increasingly is weighing in on the country's financial system. A European intelligence assessment has warned that banks have absorbed much of the burden of financing Russia's war economy through subsidized lending to defense companies, home buyers and state-backed projects. The report estimates that nearly about 10% of the corporate loans are now considered doubtful, while some major lenders have reported retail non-performing loan ratios of up to 15%. Now, Russia's economy is also slowing down, with the government's 2026 GDP forecast cut to about 0.4%. And this has raised concerns over the bank's ability to absorb future shocks. Now, the warning comes as the European Union is preparing for a fresh sanctions package targeting Russian banks, cryptocurrency networks and the country's financial infrastructure. The proposed measures could, of course, bring the number of sanctioned Russian banks to more than 100, and this covers over half of the country's internationally connected lenders. The report also points to rising financial stress amongst the households, with more than 500,000 personal bankruptcies recorded in 2025 and over 13 million Russians holding at least about 3 loans simultaneously. However, Russian authorities maintain that the banking sector remains stable, citing strong capital buffers and unchanged corporate bad loan levels. At the same time, Ukraine's long-range strikes on Russian energy and logistics infrastructure are creating new economic challenges, and attacks on refineries and fuel facilities have disrupted the gasoline supplies, leading to shortages across most of Russia and occupied Ukrainian territories. The disruptions are affecting domestic consumers, reducing petrochemical export revenues and adding pressure on Russia's military logistics. Together, tighter sanctions, slowing economic growth and continued attacks on critical infrastructure are increasing the strain on Russia's wartime economy.